Alright guys, so I just set up this GoPro POV on my hat, car bench hat, and I wanted to see how it's gonna look like. So we're gonna jump in the 600 LT and go for a quick drive in Beverly Hills. Let's go for a ride. Alright, we're now filming on the GoPro. So first thing first, we're gonna activate and put on sport manual. Here we go. Filming from the GoPro for first time. This is one of the first cool spot actually here. See this nice older Jeep, and we're definitely gonna take a picture of him. Nice. Okay, we got the first spot. I love these Jeeps. Now we're coming up on this new dealership here. They always have very cool cars parked outside. Let's see if they have anything today going on. Oh, here we go. We got a nice Porsche. Looks like a GT2 RS with a Rolls Royce. We're definitely taking a picture of that. Okay, there we go. Let's do one of the side. It's gonna look cool. Right here. Boom. This is nice. Nice Rolls Royce too. So this is Cannon Drive. This is the Montage Hotel. There's usually a bunch of hypercars and all kind of exotic cars and stuff. And today we got nothing. Completely closed, empty. Yep. It's a nice little Porsche Panamera. I like these Porsches actually. Let's take a picture. So we're gonna go left on Santa Monica Boulevard. Maybe we're gonna go through Rodeo Drive and then back home. It's gonna be a quick drive today. Okay, no idea what this is, but it's kind of cool. Here's the famous Rodeo Drive. Again, all the stores and everything is closed here, so I doubt there's gonna be any cars or any people out. Here's what we're gonna do. Actually, we're gonna pull over here and take a picture of the McLaren in front of that store, whatever this store is. I have no idea what it is. There is no cars or anything, so I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Real quick, let's do that. And we're gonna go take a quick picture of the McLaren right now. All right, let's do this. There's no cars. I mean, it's completely empty. Here we go. This is nice. Okay, it's a nice view right there. And off we go. And brake off. I mean, literally, there's no cars here. It's never been like this, ever. Here is always packed. People, cars. Oh, nice Porsche.
Oh, nice Porsche.
Wish I had my camera out. I missed it. That was a good spot. Anyway guys, that's for today. I mean, let me know what you think. This is gonna be a short video, just testing out the GoPro setup and everything else. Let me know what you think, and if this turns out good, I'll do some more videos like that, some more car spotting. Plus, when the country reopens and everything else, there will be a lot more cars out to spot. Anyway, I'm out. See you later.